Hi guys, so today we are going to see IoT based food monitoring system using Arduino Uno and then Node MCU. So here we are monitoring temperature and then humidity, gas, light intensity of food. So now LCD showing humidity as 43%, temperature 30, and then LDR 20, gas value 0. Okay, so this one is DHT11 temperature sensor, MQ2 gas sensor, and then LDR. So here we have step down the voltage from 230 to 12 volt using step down transformer, and then AC voltage was converted into DC by using bridge rectifier. Those values are given into Arduino Uno. Like Arduino Uno get a power supply from this setup. So Arduino Uno LDR was connected with output value. LDR output value was given into analog pin of Arduino Uno, and then get a power supply from Arduino Uno as 5 volt and then ground. So same DHT11 get a power supply from Arduino Uno, and then temperature humidity sensed by DHT11 as given into Arduino Uno. Same thing, MQ2 gas sensor was connected here. Now gas value was 0, so those values are sent to IoT page using Node MCU. So here we have set SSID and then password. So now we check light intensity value. So now LDR value was 30, now 336. So alert high light intensity. So food has high light intensity. If temperature above 35 means we will get alert temperature as high, and then humidity also high. So now we check gas value also, like any gases formed from food. Okay, gas value 0. So above 30 means we will get alert. So now 7. So 19. So 34, above 34, so we will get gas was formed message from LCD. Okay. So those values we are monitoring from IoT page. So here IoT page showing the values of temperature, humidity, gas value, and then light intensity. So those values we are monitoring here. So temperature 29, humidity 49, gas value 0, light intensity 26. Okay. So light intensity 18. So it was changing. So that's all for today. Thank you.